Hello Oracles, how's everyone doing tonight? I know it's looking bleak. I know we are red some more today. I was predicting that sometime this week we'd see a turnaround or at least a leveling off. That did not happen today. I also said that I'm done predicting when this is going to happen because there's so much macro stuff that is pulling the market down. Potential issues with Russia and Ukraine, COVID out there still affecting things. So just so much going on. And this just brings me back to what we have been discussing for the last 2 months, which is make sure that you have cash reserves, some sort of cash flow coming in. The dip may keep on dipping. The dip may come back up. It's just a matter of being agile, having some cash available to you to be able to invest here and there. Because guess what? It's still going to turn around. When it's going to turn around, we don't know. Could this keep going up and down for the next year? It could. I am definitely foreseeing a roller coaster ride for the foreseeable future. But it's just a matter of being ready for these things. One of the things I have learned from several of you in the comments is, I'm going to go out there and I have my IRA. I've put some extra money into it to fill up last year's allotment, and I'm going to start trying to utilize that to take Tesla and swing it up and down and gain myself some shares on that through a tax-free option. That's going to be my option there. Otherwise, I am consolidating myself into the high conviction stocks that I have. Anytime I see any little bit of a run up in the stocks that I'm a little bit down on, I'll try to get profitable and sell those out. Otherwise, it is just get into these high conviction stocks, because what's going to end up happening, regardless of how long this takes, is when we do come out of it, and we will come out of this, the top players are the ones that are going to come out strongest. We go back to 2008 and 2009, and you look at the Apple, Amazon, Microsoft. These stocks came out of that just roaring ahead and took off and just beat everybody in gains for so long over the last decade. That's what's going to happen this time around. So get yourself into a position where you're investing in these stocks. For me, obviously Tesla is a huge one. I do have Apple. I've also got some dividend ETFs like QILD to at least net me some dividends along the way. And I'm going to be utilizing that so when Tesla's kind of sitting flat where it is right now, it's been between 1,000 and 1,050. So I've got some money parked there. I've got a little bit in Tesla and a little bit in QILD. So then if it goes up, that's great. I will see how high Tesla goes, and then I'll be able to sell out of Tesla. When it comes down, I can utilize that QILD money to flip into Tesla in and out. So this way it'll be continuously making me money if it's just sitting there flat. And then when I get an opportunity to buy, I'll use it to buy. This way I'm kind of getting the best of both worlds. But otherwise, we are going to come out of this. Have faith, hold strong. If you can dollar cost average, do so. If not, just hold. We will be coming out of this at some point. A roller coaster ride always goes up. So while we are currently in a down and we're going down for a while, we are going to go back up. That's what happens with roller coaster rides. And even if the roller coaster ride doesn't come all the way back up, we still have opportunities in there. So see what you can utilize for those. And again, eventually we will be coming out of this entirely. You gotta remember, valuations have been super high for the last 18 months plus. As soon as interest rates came down to zero, these high valuation stocks just took off. When you have no interest that you have to pay on your debts, it's unlimited skies. We need to get normalcy back. It needs to come back soon. And as far as I'm concerned, the sooner the better. Let's tear this Band-Aid off. Smart, we don't want to just yank it off completely and then throw the markets off way more than they already are. But let's get ourselves back to normal interest rates, a normal sort of inflation going on, get this inflation under control, and then get back to what would be a normal market pre-pandemic with a nice slow growth. That's what we want. So we got to get back there, but in order to get back there, we've got to go through some rough times, and these are the rough times that we're going through. So get yourself some cash flow opportunities, do what you can to dollar cost average in your high conviction stocks, and I promise you, in the end, you will be very grateful you did so. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I will obviously keep you guys posted on a daily basis. I do post all of my trades over on Twitter at OracleTim1. I did buy some Tesla today, just under 1,000, and I added a little bit more to my SoFi on the news that they did get granted for their charter and they're now a national bank. So that's a big one. I don't know what I'm going to do with SoFi yet. I don't know if I'm going to play it long or if I'm going to do the same thing with this one with the short-term stocks. And if I get some profits, I may just take it to free up cash. I'll make my decision on that one over the next week. Otherwise, that's what I'm doing. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments. Let me know what strategies you guys are using for these roller coaster rocky times. Let me know when you guys think this is going to turn around. Thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate all of your support and feedback. If you have not subscribed, please do so down below. Again, I am on Twitter at OracleTim1. I post all the latest Tesla news and stock market information there, as well as all of my trades on a daily basis. Thank you all so much. Have a great one.